What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I went to the bank to get these two $10 quarter rolls, and now I'm going to go through them to see if we can find anything good. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright, so let's start from this side first. $20.23 quarter. Bessie Coleman. So usually there may be an error on the plane, but also there may be something right here, guys, on top of her hat or her glove. Let me put this under the microscope and see. Okay, guys, so there was nothing on the back, but check this out. On Washington's nose, there is a slight dye chip, very small one, but it's there. And this is an error that is selling currently on eBay for around $12 to $15. So I don't know how much this one would go for because it's so small, but this is a known error. Okay, guys, so almost done with the first roll. And check this quarter out. Look at the back. Some really cool toning. Very, very cool toning. But yeah, let's keep looking. Okay, so we are in the second roll now. And check this out. We have a Dr. Sally Ride Ghost Comet Tail Error. Do you guys see the ghost comet tail right there behind her head? These sell for about $3 to $5 on eBay. Ghost Comet Tail Error. And we have a Bicentennial Quarter. These are always good to collect. I know a lot of people thought these would be worth more than they actually are nowadays, but because they produced so many of them, they minted so many of these, they're not what people thought they would be. But still a great collection piece. All right, let's keep looking. All right, guys, so check this out. A dye chip error near Washington's mouth. It's not very big, but it's still there. And this is a 2022 quarter. And let's flip it over. This one is the Maya Angelou quarter. So nothing on the back, but we have a dye chip error. All right, guys, so we are done with the two rolls. Now let's just do a brief recap. So right here, you have the 2023 quarter with the dye chip error on the nose. It's kind of small. I showed you guys on the microscope what it looks like up close. And this is the Bessie Coleman quarter. We have this 1984 with really nice toning. We have 2022 Dr. Sally Ride with the Ghost Comet Tail Error. You can see it behind her head. We have the Bicentennial quarter. And lastly, we have 2022 Maya Angelou, and there is a dye chip near the mouth. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.